Hi, this is Jennifer with KnitCurio, and today we're going to learn the knitted cast-on method. The knitted cast-on is a great cast-on for beginner knitters as you're learning how to knit right from the start. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take our yarn and we're going to make 2 loops on our finger to make a slip knot. We're going to take the back yarn, place it over and make an X. We're going to take the new back yarn, pass it over our finger and over the yarn, and pull both legs. You can then put it directly on your needle and tighten up. To get started, what we're going to do is now take our right needle, insert in our left side of our stitch and wrap it around. Make sure you do not grab your tail, but go ahead and grab your yarn. Wrap it around the back right needle. Pull it over your stitch and pull out enough slack so you can get your needle under the yarn and you can pull. To start again, we're going to use our new stitch closest to the needle. Go in on the left side and put your needle in the back. Take your yarn, wrap it around the right needle, bring it through the stitch. If you want to make a T that will hold your yarn, pull out some slack, go underneath to avoid twisting the stitch when you get ready to knit for the next row, and pull. The slip knot does count as a stitch, so be sure to count that when using the amount of stitches you need for your project. Again, in, around, through, pull out, and go underneath the needle and place it on your left and pull. And there you have the basic knit stitch.